Here is an overview of the CIGAR Psycho Box Distortion pedal kit and its components. The potentiometer and the knob were fastened onto the faceplate using a small screwdriver and a socket wrench. A drill and a Dremel tool were used to cut a hole in the cigar box for the circuit board. A drill and a Dremel tool were used to make holes for the input and output jacks. An area on the box was marked with a pencil, and then a hole for the battery box was cut out using a drill and a Dremel tool. The input and output jacks were installed. The red wires were connected to the positive terminals and the black wires were connected to the negative terminals. Nuts on the jacks were tightened with a socket wrench. The faceplate was secured to the cigar box with 4 screws. The battery box was fastened to the cigar box using 2 screws. This is what the finished project looks like. Due to the large number of internet trolls, I will not demonstrate this, but trust me, it works. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.